Okay, we're going to go through the process of a rubric with an assignment instead of an assessment. Okay, so here I created my assignment, whatever directions you want to give, set your due date, set your point value. Okay, I'm just going to lower this for this one just because. But here's the key part. Also note, I always disable comments. This is like a wasteland for me as far as determining where and when students respond to it. So I simply disable comment here. Okay, and then key thing is numeric. You want to click on that so that you can choose a rubric, okay? And we are going to choose just a class notes rubric because this one just has a few more things in it so I can show you. So I'm going to click that. It's going to show everything I have already in that rubric. I'm going to click Save Changes. The best thing, now look at this. Students literally can see exactly what I'm going to be looking for when I am checking their assignment. Okay, so now we can go back to the test assessment as a student. So this is, oh, not the test assessment, the test assignment. And you could see for students, it is printed right here. Okay, so easy enough. Now I'm going to pause the video and just write something as a student so that I can submit it. Okay, so here I am, I finished, I typed up my notes, I'm the student, I'm going to submit it. Okay, and if I click on this, again, I can see my submission. This is exactly what I sent. Okay, now let's flip back to the teacher end. Okay, here's the teacher end. Let's just refresh the page because there was a submission. There we go. And now we're going to grade it. When we grade it, we're going to click on the rubric. Okay, so this one is submitted on time, so I check that. Name and topic. Okay, topic is missing. Legible. Okay, well, these are typed, so yes, they're legible. Accuracy. When I scan through here, I don't see anything that is inaccurate. The amount of content, some of the content from the notes is missing. I'm going to keep scrolling. Graphics, I don't see any underlining or charts or images. Okay, so no graphics. And effort, so this is some effort. Okay, and then I'm going to click Save. Student is graded. It's indicated that it was with a rubric. Now I'm going to flip back on the student end and see what shows up for them. So here I am again as the student, going to refresh this page here. Do you see this? All of a sudden this shows up here. Here's the rubric. I got 34 out of 50. I click on it. I can literally see what my teacher had selected for every category and why I lost some points. Okay, so very easy and gives excellent feedback for an assignment. And it was not time consuming for me as a teacher to go through and check the items off the rubric.